In this video, you'll learn how to effectively debug code using the Windsurf application. By following these steps, you will be able to identify and fix issues in your code efficiently. Begin by launching the Windsurf application on your device. Look for the application icon on your desktop or in your applications folder and double-click it to open. Once the application is fully loaded, you will know you are on the correct screen when you see the main dashboard with various options displayed. Next, locate and click on the Editor option, which is typically found on the left side of the screen. This action will take you to the code editing interface where you can write and modify your code. Ensure that the editor is active and ready for input before moving on. After that, click on the Explorer feature, which allows you to navigate through your project files. This section should display your project structure, giving you access to all the files you need for debugging. Now, proceed by selecting the Search option. This feature enables you to find specific code snippets or keywords within your project. Once you click on it, a search bar will appear at the top of the interface, ready for your input. Continuing, click on Code Maps. This tool provides a visual representation of your code structure, helping you understand the relationships between different components. You will see a graphical layout once you click this option. Next, select the Run and Debug button. This action will prepare the application to begin the debugging process. You should see a prompt indicating that the debugging tools are being initialized. Following this, click on Cascade Code. This feature allows you to manage multiple code windows effectively. Once selected, you will notice that your code windows will arrange themselves in a cascading format for easier access. Now, type in the command debug this code into the designated input area. This command instructs Windsurf to analyze and identify any errors in your code. After entering the command, ensure that it appears correctly before proceeding. At this point, wait for Windsurf to process your request. Depending on the complexity of the code, this may take a few moments. You will see a loading indicator or progress bar while the application is analyzing the code. Finally, click on the Run button to execute the debugging process. Once you do this, the application will begin running through your code and any errors or issues will be highlighted for your review. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.